Take this to trial. I had counsel, Michael Wandling. I showed y'all in other videos, and Michael was basically asking Hunter Miller, what did he do inside of the vehicle that led to him basically finding the firearm? So we get to this part right here, y'all, and like I said, this is the trial court transcription. And I even have the transcripts, y'all, from the court reporter, Cindy Graff. Know the price, but I got it right here. Hold on, I got it right here. This is how much I paid for this, y'all. $136 for the trial court transcripts. This is a copy out of the trial court transcription. I want to show y'all where Hunter Miller got caught up in this bullshit. So this is my attorney, Mr. Wanley. He said, Officer Miller, you testified you didn't move the bottle, correct? The officer answered, correct. And when you see Q and A, that's a question and then an answer. So like I said, in one hearing, Officer Hunter Miller said that he moved the bottle over towards the armrest, right? Now this is my attorney with another question. Do you remember during another hearing that you were under oath previously in this case? He says yes. Do you remember testifying in that hearing that you, Mr. Wanley, may I approach? The court, which is Jenny Pitts May near y'all, this was the magistrate judge at this time all this occurred. She says yes. The deputy prosecuting attorney is Robert Michael Swaby. May the state see or approach to see what Mr. Wanley is referring to? The court, sure, by Mr. Wanley. So you were under oath during that hearing, correct? The officer says yes, y'all. My attorney says you were the one questioned during that hearing, right? The officer says yes. My attorney says you were there for the whole thing, correct? The officer says yes. So an answer would be you, right? Officer says yes. The officer asks, what is this indicating? My attorney says there is I don't know if the manuscript is the correct word to use, but this is the transcript of that hearing, right? The officer says yes. Can you read from line 2 to line 15, please, for the jury? So my attorney now, y'all, is telling Chris Hunter Miller to read from the transcription of what he said in the very first hearing that we had, I believe, in 2018. So can you read from line 2 to 15, please, for the jury with the Q's and the A's? That is where it was approximately where I got into his vehicle, even the bottle when I got into the vehicle, so I could operate the vehicle.